I've not done anything to resist. I'm just being black on Southwest, and they promised I would get arrested, and this is the promise.
Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh, ooh.
Peace, y'all. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth. Peace and love to everybody out there. Back at y'all with another video, man. This one is racist woman thinks she's too important to follow airport rules. So, airport meltdowns is always what it is. Before we jump into this video, call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. Let them know Romy Roma's in the house, in your mouth. Romy Roma, I'm in the house, and I'm in your mouth like ooh, ooh. I say ooh, ooh, ooh. Check your mentals, emotionals, physicals, spirituals. Keep your mind right, your mind tight. Keep your vibes high. Keep thriving and surviving out there. If you're new to my page, lives, we do lives. Tuesday from 6 to 8 and Saturday and Sunday from 4 to 6. Do some live reactions, chill, vibe, talk, laugh. You know what I'm saying? Have a good time for 2 hours and enjoy these videos together. All right. Am I missing anything? I don't think I'm missing nothing, y'all. Hopefully everybody had a good day. You're having a good night. You eat something good. And your vibes are high and ready for tomorrow to hit that work week, that work day.
On December 1st, 2025, officers at the Nashville International Airport were dispatched in response to a disruptive passenger.
So, it started out, she went to the front left, she opened the door and there's a kid peeing. The flight attendant stopped the door like, hey, can I enter? There's a kid inside. Then she automatically took her phone. I was like, I want to record you, what's your name? You can't be doing this, blah, 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 blah. To her seat, all the way in the back. Bump into people beside her, like just randomly just hitting the person beside the older couple. Made him move out the way. Then she requested a hot tea for the flight attendant in the back. She went to the galley, said, I want to watch you make them my hot tea. So she's just all these strange shenanigans going on. So for safety reasons and everything she's doing, we're not feeling comfortable.
What did she do when she got off?
Oh, she was acting a fool. She's like, as soon as I approached her, she took her phone out, saying, I'm not comfortable with you, you're white, I'm black, I need to speak to somebody else.
Her thing is all race. That's what she equated all of it to, is that they charged her for her drinks and didn't charge the other people for her drinks. She had 2 drinks according to the flight attendant.
She's only recording what she wants to record. Obviously no interactions being recorded, just picks of the phone, I'm being harassed. Then she puts it down. I'm not sure if it's something mental. She also had 2 drinks on board. I don't know if it made an effect on her or anything like that, but
we were just trying to have a conversation.
First of all, you can't say it's racist and be a black thing if you have one of their black employees defending the employee and that black employee doesn't feel like it's racist. So that's already an L for it right there. You can't even make that argument if another black person doesn't feel any type of racial tension from the white people or whoever else is over there. So that's already an L for her.
I even get her the opportunity to speak to her, and I step back.
And there's 2 sides, and I'm like, she's like, no, there's not 2 sides. I was like, well, wait. First of all, there's 3, because everybody's trying to win their own side. We couldn't even have a conversation because they like kind of excite you, so we can only go with what they go with.
So just behavior and safety concerns.
She's not flying again, though, right?
No, but she does have another flight. She said she's in the corridor talking to officers.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, her. She's being denied with Southwest.
Hey, how's it going, man? So
I knew you guys were looking into it for me. I don't know how I knew it.
we just got a call about you.
Well, what did I do?
So that's what we're trying to figure out, right?
I didn't do anything. I'm just trying to. So what happened was, let me just show you. They won't look at it. On the airline, I was harassed by people who weren't my race, and I recorded, not them, just me being mistreated.
Okay, are these other passengers or just airline employees you're saying?
So it was both. So then I asked the airline employees in my notes for 2 names. When I got off the airline, they of course called their supervisors, like I would do. I'm going home to go to work tomorrow. I would call my supervisor and say, I know I did wrong, let me make the person a bad guy. Unfortunately for them, I recorded, and I said, yes, I recorded. Even if I did, I didn't do it. If somebody wants to watch the recording, I'm not a person to be taken off the airline.
This was all verbal, nothing physical?
I never, if you think...
I'm just asking, I'm not saying you did it.
All I asked them was to tell me what I did other than...
Yeah, so do you have a connecting flight somewhere? Are you going to...
I'm going to... So he decided that without any evidence, I never got to talk to him. He looked at me, heard what the flight attendant said before I even got off the flight. And just like I walked out the bathroom and recognized that you guys were here for me, this is this level of treatment. No one is listening to like how I was treated on the flight. I never touched anybody. I never harassed anybody. I never cussed anybody. And I know how not to cuss and go crazy on anybody there.
So unfortunately, it is up to the airline whether they want to let you.
But it wasn't
fly.
an airline. It was this. Even if I were buying another airline ticket and I didn't want to go to Southwest, this guy is creating a campaign to bother me throughout this airport. So I went to the bathroom. I could have been buying another ticket to another airline, not the airport. I didn't do anything to the airport. I want their information for this level. If you guys watch the video.
So that's something that you'd have to bring up with their customer service.
But I was trying to ask them how to do it. I already have a bought ticket.
We can give you the information on how to do that.
But I asked them that an hour ago. They're trying to waste my time. This guy is single-handedly deciding that I wasn't going to be on my knees.
Who is this guy?
Can we go? The person called the police. Can we go and talk? But I didn't talk any differently than I'm talking now. And the police don't make me talk better. I don't have that in me.
I get it. I understand.
This is outright harassment from the plane. And when the guy said, Mark, she won't get on the next flight, I have it on recording.
Okay.
When someone says that as a flight attendant, not based off of anything I did, based off of me saying that I'm going to complain to Southwest on them. They just beating me to the punch.
So I know that's frustrating, but they can do that. Like Officer Greta here was
But
saying.
I still get a reason.
They don't have to give you a reason. That's the
They
thing.
just no, they can't just deny me.
They can't.
They can, unfortunately.
No, but I want my money back then. I get to buy a ticket.
Like we're saying, that's something you'd have to bring up with their customer
Yeah, I'm going to go to customer service. Walk with me so I can go
We
to
can
customer
go up
service.
front.
That's customer service over there.
That's not an option right now. Okay.
So
Talking to them down there
you
is
guys
not
have
an
decided that you guys are detaining me?
They decided it.
No, I didn't. They don't. You guys are the police.
They decided that. We don't work for Southwest. We work for the airport, and the airport is a contractor of the airport, and they've decided that you're not making a flight with Southwest. So we can go up to the
Based
ticket
off
counter.
of what reason?
They don't have to give a reason.
But
They're
they
a
got to
private
give me my
business.
money back.
We can deal with that up front. They have the same capabilities up front, but as of right now, they have voided the ticket for. So we're going
He
to go.
doesn't even know my name.
We're going to go up front and get your money
He
back.
doesn't know my name to void the ticket. So we can still talk. You guys don't know my name.
They have that information.
They do not have that information. They do not. You guys saw a black girl with a green jacket and description came out there. Just like I knew that you were the police. This is a lie. Like that's a lie.
Can we go up front and deal with it so that we're not?
No,
making
I
this
want to go
work?
talk to them and get my money
Not gonna
back.
deal with it.
So I can't get on that plane.
You cannot.
Why?
Said no.
Because they denied you
Who
boarding.
is they? It was just the one guy.
Southwest, manager at Southwest, whoever you talk to, whoever denied you boarding. That's who
He
denied you
never
boarding.
denied me boarding. He denied me
That's what they have told us.
It is outright racist that I was denied boarding. Did you guys see the videos of what?
We can get names for you if you want to file a complaint with Southwest too.
But I gotta get to work tomorrow. But it's fine. Let's go.
Okay.
Don't think that I was going to cause a problem.
We can get you rebooked
Everybody's
with another.
Which is good. That you guys are. This is clearly a black move. I know you guys are Nashville. It's a lynch mob. What you're doing?
Oh, no,
It's a lynching. This is what you do to black people when you don't like how they act.
Please.
Okay. I'm sorry. I got you.
We're just walking
You
this
wanna
way.
detain me?
No, ma'am. We're just trying to escort you.
Talk to me.
Don't.
I won't talk to you. Now, everybody watch. I'll walk behind you. I'm not detained. I'm not detained. I don't gotta walk with you. I'm not detained, so walk.
Go maintain camera. She is extremely verbally combative at the moment.
So we're going to the ticket counter right now. So
I ain't gotta leave the airport. I
we
ain't
can
gotta
get
go
you
nowhere
rebooked.
with you. I ain't gotta go on that flight. So I'm gonna buy my own ticket. I ain't gotta go nowhere with you.
Oh my gosh.
Ma'am.
Why?
So,
I gotta buy a ticket in another airline. I'm calling my dad to get
so
some money.
we do that up front.
No,
because that's
I'm not
where all the
going on
ticket
that
counters-
airline.
There's plenty of
Show me the
airlines
rules.
up there.
I didn't do anything else wrong. I'm done
So,
with that.
you can't be back here without a valid boarding pass,
Daddy, I'm on
okay?
Daddy, stay on line. Stay on line. I'm just trying to get the money to buy another ticket.
Yes, but as of right now, you don't have a
That's what
valid
my mother
boarding
calls
pass.
me. And I do.
So you do not have a boarding pass.
I do.
You don't.
Yeah, my mother's calling to give me the confirmation number for what's the airline? United.
Bought another ticket.
She bought you another ticket.
Who do you think this is?
I'm
You
just
thought I was
asking.
stuck?
What gate is that at?
It's that beat, but I won't be as harassed. Show me a law that I gotta go with you. I'm not getting on a Southwest flight. What's the confirmation number, Mama? All right, let me look it up. You can sit there until you go in the face. I'm not going anywhere else.
We're just trying to help you out. We're trying to
I don't
get
think
you
that I'm being helped.
get you a new flight.
All this racism. I try to show you videos. Even him to say that like I'm on this plane calm.
I believe you.
Was when I asked
Okay.
them for their names. So they could
We
find-
believe
I gotta
you,
get
but
a
we
copy.
can't do
You
anything
don't
about
believe
that.
me.
I do.
But you don't have to. But I do have to get this confirmation number because I gotta go home today. I ain't leaving anywhere.
I got you.
Whether you came for with a Southwest call, right? I'm not getting on that airplane. And I want to know the names of the people that put me on. That's all.
Okay.
But I'm not going.
You have to make sure you got a boarding pass.
Until my mama confirm in California, and I want my money back.
And that's something you can definitely take up with
But
Southwest.
I want their names, the people that called on me. And I want your names, the people that are here harassing me. This is actually harassment at this point. I'm
Like
not
we're saying,
getting on the flight,
we're not
right?
trying to
I'm not
harass
getting on the
you.
flight, and I'm not going to get escorted at the airport when I ain't doing anything in the airport. They're trying to create it.
She always
So
trying
I
to
said we
sneak.
just have to confirm you got that new boarding pass, and we'll be out of your hair. Okay.
You're not in my life guide.
You're right. I'm not your life guide, but you have to have an active boarding pass to be back here.
So to be on the secure side of the airport.
That's not the law. You don't have to. That's not the law. That's not the law. You guys got to follow the law. Like I am. You guys told me I can't get on that flight, which was a lie.
That's up to Southwest. That has nothing to do
Which
with
was
us.
a lie. I did something wrong. So after that, you're done. I won't get on the flight. But you're not going to stand around me and harass me.
That's up to Southwest discretion.
And
That has nothing to do with
And I'm
us.
not going on the flight.
Well, you understand, we didn't deny you boarding.
Yeah, you did. Because I went over there to talk to them to say that, like, hey, I got all these videos to show. I didn't do anything. I have the names of the people that harassed me. Why would I create that information and have that paper trail? I was in the wrong. I didn't think I was getting on the flight. They were at the gate to bother me on the plane because they knew. It'll still go to corporate. So I can't get on no Southwest airline or just my flight.
Did they
'Cause I'm not banned.
specify?
I'm not banned from them. So I don't, that's what I'm saying.
We would have to talk to them to know that, and that would have to take place up front. Up front.
You guys wait
I know.
At the ticket counter up front.
That's not happening. I could have talked to them there. The flight was 10 minutes away. They wanted me around police to see how crazy I would act. I'm a black person at the airport. That's the crime right now? Right now, what's the crime?
No, man.
I'm a black person at the airport. What's the crime?
So it would have been disorderly conduct depending on your behavior.
When have I behaved? I sat down.
So that's based on your behavior. I'm saying if it escalates, that's what it would
If it
become.
escalates, I think that you're looking, that's why I sat down and put myself down, because I think when I was dapping you up and talking to you, looking for escalation.
No, man.
I just want to go
I'm
home,
just
and I
trying
know
to
where
talk to you
racism
person to
happens.
person.
You never had racism happening, you just don't know how it looks.
I'm just trying to talk to you person to
You don't
person.
need to talk to me.
I don't look at you any other way like I would anyone else.
Because you don't know how it looks when someone pulls you off a plane, calls the police on your black ass, and then makes you beg to get on that plane. I ain't begging for
Well, like
shit.
we're saying,
I ain't begging
that's
for
a
shit.
Southwest call, right? That's
So I
nothing
can get
to
on
do
the,
with
I can get on
us.
a Southwest flight, or that I can't, or what's the issue?
That's something that you have to talk to the ticket counter about.
You're harassing me at this point. I'm asking you to leave. Southwest has already got you to get away. I missed my flight. Why don't you leave and let me go? They don't know who I am. You guys can't make me a criminal when it's a civil issue.
We're not
I
trying
paid
to
my
make-
money. You're trying to make me a criminal. You're escalating the situation and trying to criminalize me. I don't have time for this. I want to go home. Like, we bought 2 tickets now.
All right, Ben, I'm going to give you one more option right now. We need to walk to the non-secure side, and if we do not
I
walk
have
to
a
the
ticket to the flight, and I've asked these people to leave me alone. I have a ticket to get on Southwest Airlines flight. I've asked them to leave me alone so I can go on the airline. If I can't get on the airline, let me not get on there, and then you decide.
I'm giving you one last option.
What is my last option?
We need to walk to the
No, I'm not going
non-secure
anywhere.
side.
I'm not detained.
As
no,
of right
I'm
now,
not.
yes,
No,
you are.
I'm not. For what?
Trust
For
me.
having a ticket?
Listen, at this point, we've given you multiple warnings that we need to leave.
I have a ticket.
You've refused to leave. That doesn't
I have
matter.
a ticket.
If you continue to refuse
You
to
don't need
leave,
to just remove me.
you will go to jail for criminal trespassing.
Because you're refusing our lawful order to leave this area, right?
Why would I leave the area when I have a ticket to be here?
You do not, because you have been denied boarding.
I haven't. I gotta go board to be denied boarding. You're denying me boarding. You don't work for Southwest. He got on the phone and claimed to talk to
Southwest.
Southwest. He's claimed that he's no lawyer. Let me go to the boarding and see if I got denied boarding.
No, ma'am.
Who denied me boarding? Is it the police or Southwest?
It was Southwest Airlines,
No,
like
they
we
didn't.
told
I
you.
have a ticket for Southwest. No, they have not. I'm not. That's board. So I want to go to board to be denied boarding.
If we do not exit the secure area,
So what am I being denied boarding? What am I? Please don't touch me. Make sure you back up off of me.
I'm giving you this option.
I don't have an
This
option.
is the last option
What's the
until you
option?
will end
I
up
have a
in jail.
ticket. Let me show you the ticket again.
You're going
That's
to be
my
denied
ticket.
boarding.
I bought 2 tickets. Let me buy another for another airline. You want to see me work for another airline?
No.
I got it.
We're past that point right now.
So hold on. I can't fly at all.
Not with Southwest.
I'm going to buy it for another airport.
Then you need to exit the secure
I
side.
don't know, but I still have a ticket for yourself.
to exit
I'm
the
still
secure
securely
side.
here. My baggage is still on their plane.
Okay,
I
go
don't
ahead and stand up.
All right,
Put
hold
your
on.
hands behind your back.
I'll go.
All right. No, we're past that point. Put your back down.
Please don't do this. The 2 tickets I'm bought. Please do this. All I did was try to buy a ticket on my phone. Can you grab my phone and my stuff?
Get all
Can
your
you not?
Yes.
Can you not go through my belongings? I'm only detained.
You're arrested.
I'm not arrested. What did I do wrong?
Under arrest for
For what?
trespassing.
I'm not trespassing. I have a ticket. I'm in an airline. I'm trying to talk to customer service and you're customer service. So unfair and unfortunate. I need everybody's information. And there is black people out in Nashville.
Nope.
Is your body camera on?
Sure is.
Okay, so I repeatedly saw me asking them so I can buy a ticket. My mother bought 2 tickets out of Southwest. It's not illegal for me to buy a ticket.
To your left.
It's not illegal for me to buy a plane ticket. They got out of patience. They don't work for the airline. They don't work for that. I want to be in front of the camera at all times. Please let me be in front of the camera at all times. I want to be in front of the camera at all times. I have not done anything to resist. I've been nice to you guys. I've only asked, okay? I won't do anything wrong. I've not done anything to resist. I'm just being black on Southwest, and they promised I would get arrested, and this is the promise. I have it on camera. I asked him. He's shaking because he knows he's wrong. You know you're wrong for this.
I have to search you.
You can search.
Okay.
My hands are detained.
So please spread your legs slightly.
I need a woman. I'm not spreading my legs. I'm not spreading my legs. It's against my religion. So you can look.
Okay.
But I will not be spreading
Keep your
those
legs where you are. Stay
That's
still.
as much as I can do. But I will
still.
not spread my legs. I'm a whole woman. But what am I? But you guys are ridiculous. You guys are really going to arrest me?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Give my passport back.
Ma'am,
Give my passport
stop
back.
pulling away
I'm
from
not
me.
pulling away from you. I'm asking my belongings.
You will get them at booking when you
Do not
release
touch
the
me.
bail.
Do not touch me. Yes. Racist. I would never let a kid touch me. And you know you wrong. You know you wrong for this. Close the door.
The woman was charged with criminal trespass and disorderly conduct. As of March 30th, 2026, the case had not been formally resolved. Her most recent court appearance was a settlement hearing on March 27th, but no final disposition had been entered into the public record.
Hey man, why do people intend on fighting the cops when they give you like the way out? She seemed like a strong black Afrocentric woman who, I don't know if she was searching for something, if she was trying to get, a payout, not accepting the fact that, the cops are a representation of the airport in general. I don't think that's what it was registering because she was too busy trying to get her point across. The whole racism thing, I think that's a bit of a stretch, but she's entitled to how she feels. But they represent the airport in general. So they're everybody's police. They're Southwest police, they're United's police, they're the airport's police. Southwest is a company inside of the airport. Okay, so if they call the cops are representing Southwest, but they're representing the airport as a private contractor. So I don't understand. Like it wasn't that hard. It's not that hard to just walk right outside, call, do whatever you got to do. You're saying get you another flight, get you a boarding ticket, and go right back in. You could have easily stepped outside the security area, got your stuff, and then stepped right back in the security area. But to fight them and argue them down over what you feel is right never works. Ever. It never works, man. I don't know why they always fight that and argue that, but it is what it is, man. It's crazy. Super, I don't even want to say entitled. I just say she was just like, she wasn't having it. You know what I'm saying? She wasn't feeling it. She wasn't having it. She felt like she was in the right, and then it just bit her in the ass, man. It just bit her in the ass. And she ended up going to jail in Nashville and not going back home to LA. So crazy, man. The airport ones are always crazy. They're always some type of escalation, some type of embarrassment, some type of meltdown. She's the first one that didn't cry. Usually they cry afterward. Once they realize, okay, I done talked myself into jail, now I'm really going to jail, they usually cry. But she didn't even really cry like that. So, it's crazy, man. Call a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, let them know Rome's in the house, in your mouth. Joe Jerome, I'm in the house, and I'm in your mouth like, ooh, ooh. I say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Check me out Tuesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Tuesdays, 6 to 8. And Saturdays and Sundays, 4 to 6. That's Pacific time on the west side, the left side, because it's the best side. For our lives, you tap in on the live, have some fun with me, chill, talk, vibe. Have a good time. Y'all keep your vibes high out there. Peace and love. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth.